Welcome to my delicious recipes. Last weekend I was at a party and I was in charge of the cakes, and I said to the guests that most of the cakes that were available would be much better with rum. So I took a container larger than this one, and then one at a time I was soaking the pieces of cake inside the container. So, it can be done with brownies, with porous absorbent cake when the center is able to absorb. I think even typically your sheet birthday cake, the inside, that dough is very good to absorb rum, and it's very tasty. So everybody ate their piece of cake and the guests were very happy. And at the end, I was left with rum and with crumbles of cake inside. So what did I do? I stirred it and I put everything in a glass, and I got rum with crumbles of cake. This is absolutely delicious. I recommend that you try and that you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section below the video. And I'm going myself to finish this glass of rum with crumbles of cake. Thank you again.